Guys, I should turn off the TV before it populated. Okay, there. Now, I've drawn a climber, and I'm ready to do this. I usually just do long legs or something. I'm a chicken. Yes, I have the pencil. That's the easiest thing to get. No. Yay! I win. Yay. Okay. I'm just doing a random shape now. Go! Long legs always win. Well, not all the time. Ooh. I want that robot head. Oh, come on. No, I'm not doing an ad. It's probably copyrighted. Wait. Claim. Let's do this. You really think that will work? The club or whatever. Wee. If those real life, if long legs would always win. And they would not break like that. And somehow I'm winning. Okay. Oops. What the? Well, I just wanted to check. Oh. I guess it's not the end. Hopefully this isn't copyrighted. All the ads and stuff. I wonder if I get the 20. I do. Well, I'm gonna check up on you guys. I'll see you.